Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter sale of your rental property on TurboTax. So first, you may want to head over to TurboTax and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside your homepage, in the left panel, click on Federal, then click on Wages and Income. So from the Wages and Income page, scroll down, then click on Add More Income. Then just proceed by scrolling down further. Then look for Rentals, Royalties, and Farm. Then click on it. Then next is start filling out the rental properties and royalties or Schedule E. So click on the Start button. Now, once you're inside the screen, all you have to do then is fill out all the details, follow all the on-screen prompts, and make sure that you fill out the fields all correctly and accurately. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!